everybody, it's Irene with BrainStormAcres. I'm in the greenhouse again, and today I have to make a little bit more progress on the cleaning up in here, but more important, I have to get some fertilizer out. It's obvious to me that a few of these plants are in serious need of a little boost, shall we say. So here we go. I'm going to be mixing in my watering can today. I swear a few of these plants actually look better than they did yesterday. Maybe it's my imagination. It was all that TLC I was showering. I love being able to use the hose to do this because it really mixes everything up well. Makes it a little foamy, but that's okay. I can live with the foam. This is a combination of 20-20-20 and Micro Boost. Oh gosh darn it. Well, we're suffering the slings and arrows of outrageous laziness. Okay. I assumed that these barrels had all been refilled. I was wrong. So, yeah, no, not really. Okay. This will be fine. I'll get it done. I'm going to give every one of the pots here a nice little goose of fertilizer. And then I'm going to come back on some of these and also water them because I turned off the water system this morning because some of the plants are getting too much water and others are not getting enough. That should not be the case, but it is the case, so I need to fix that, obviously. Okay, now I did see another tomato or two in here that look like they may have ripened, so I need to watch that. There's one. There's another. Okay. That's good. I'm also still cleaning, so when I find leaves that have fallen off, I'm going to remove them. More fertilizer. There are lots of ladybugs on here. Okay, now each watering can is only good for about 3 or 4 pots. That's okay. Gives me time to look at each pot and think about what needs to happen with it. I'm doing a little bit more concentrated on this than I usually would, but it's okay. Because I'll rinse it in with water when I actually water the plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm hoping that giving these time, a little bit of go juice will give them a boost. They have not done much since I left. They're still alive, which is what I was hoping for. But they definitely are in need of some sort of go juice, because they're just really not growing very well. Okay, now I need to go get some poles. I know exactly where they are in the yard, and I'm going to go get them because I meant to bring them over before and I forgot. So I'm going to go get them now. I'm back. I have poles. Yay me. So that should let me fix the ones that I have here that need to be fixed up in some fashion. I don't think I'm going to have enough to do everything here. We'll see. The fans have shut off because the sun has gone in and it's actually a little cooler in here. I have to admit, I kind of like the breeze that the fans create, but it's a lot quieter in here without the fans. It feels like we're already running out of water in this bag. Like I say, I thought all 3 of these had been filled, and I was obviously wrong. Yes, quiet. Quiet is a wonderful thing. All right, so those have been fertilized. That has been fertilized. That one is not. Want to get in here touching this stuff as little as possible, because to be honest, some of these plants are pretty cruddy. And I don't like creating a major contagion situation. These will be a little short on the amount that they get. But everybody else is pretty good. I didn't fertilize this guy. He looks too happy to be fertilized. So I'm not going to fertilize him yet. Okay, that one. This one. Which is looking perkier than it did yesterday. So apparently my ministrations yesterday helped it feel better. Let's see. This has got a husk cherry cluster in it, and I'm going to get that out of there. I just do not want it in there. It's got cucumber beetles on it, and I'm just going to plain get rid of that. Okay. Keeping it simple down here. I just want tomatoes in these. This and this still have a little water in the bottom. This does not. This is also not. That tank is running dry. And I'm going to need to switch tanks. I'm not amused. I should have opened the tops to check. I didn't. I made an assumption. Never make an assumption. I know better. I do need to go check and see if I have more microboost. I should have some more in back storage. Find that out soon enough. I now have about that much water, which should let me finish today's projects. So, since I have had to switch barrels again, I am going to build another set of fertilizer. I will put fertilizer in everybody who was shortchanged last time. Like that guy. And this guy. And this guy didn't get any. And this guy didn't get any. This guy got some. And let's get some extra back here. That is a dry plant. We need to fix that. Okay. Now, yesterday I got these kind of tied up and fixed as far as here. And at this location we had thyme and nasturtiums. Boy, those nasturtiums are looking a lot better today than they were yesterday, so that's cool. Could not tie that guy up because I did not have poles. Now I have poles. So, I have in my possession a trash can and poles and a bucket of bits and pieces. So, let's see what we can do. We'll get some clips, some of which are older and probably will croak. And let's see what we have here. This is a monster plant. This is a haussinator, as I recall. And I think I'm going to take a tall one just because I feel it needs something to work with.